Thank you everyone for joining us today. In our third Techie Tuesdays session, today we will explore how AI plus no-code platforms are redefining enterprise application development, enabling CIOs and technology leaders to move from idea to enterprise-ready apps in under an hour without compromising on governance, scalability, or security. Diptirekha Samal, a senior technology leader with 27 plus years of experience, Diptirekha has led global technology initiatives across complex enterprise ecosystems. Her work focuses on enabling faster execution through resilient, scalable architectures, helping organizations translate into impactful enterprise-grade applications while ensuring strong governance and measurable business outcomes. So, without much further ado, I will request Deepti to take over. And over to you, Deepti.
Yeah, thanks, Varundeep. So, good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining today. So, I truly appreciate your time and presence. So, let me start with a simple question. Okay. So, in your organization, how long does it really take to convert an idea into an enterprise-ready applications? Is it 6 months or 1 year or sometimes even more, right? So now, let's imagine that if we can reduce it to 2 weeks or more, like maybe in weeks or days, okay, without compromising governance, security, or scale. So that is what I want to explore with you today through a real enterprise use case and live it. Okay, so let me share my screen. Let me know once you are able to see it.
Yeah, it is visible. Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, great. So let's go ahead. So I'm Dipti, I work at the intersection of strategy, governance and execution, where most digital transformation either succeed or fail. Okay, so my focus is very simple. How do we help enterprises move from ideas to execution safely and at scale? And more importantly, how do we make execution a repetitive capability? Right? So same thing we will develop and that we can use multiple times. So let's go for the today's mission. So today's mission is just build the application within 45 minutes. I will show you live in the tool. Okay. So this is my ambition today, not just building the application faster, but building them securely with strong governance and at enterprise scale. Okay, so let's move to the okay. Now considering this is a CIO community, so everyone knows all CIOs are today caught between three powerful forces: speed, scale, and control. Everyone knows the business wants everything faster, then demand is growing faster than teams can scale, and governance is becoming stricter than ever, right? So the challenge is no longer building technology. The challenge is now orchestrating the speed, scale, and control. And all simultaneously, we have to do it. Right? Let me go. Just tell me if you want to explain me anything, but now today I am going to focus more on the tool demo. Okay. So now, considering that the CIO's perfect storm we discussed, so now enterprises across the world are adopting to new operating model. So instead of relying only on the developers, organizations are embracing the low code and no code platforms. Right? So low code is not about replacing IT. So it is about multiplying the IT impact, so that same resource can do more things in less time. Okay, so let's go for the next one. So now you will ask why CIOs will care more about the low code, no code things, right? So now for CIOs, low code is not a technology trend. It's a new execution strategy. Right? So it allows enterprise to move faster while staying secure and governed. Okay. So now today's goal is like there are many low code platforms in the market today. So I'll not talk about all the tools. So today I will focus only one platform, that is Bolt. Okay, let me do one thing. Yeah. So now Bolt is not just a tool. So it is an execution engine for enterprises. So here you can see that Bolt is an AI powered modern platform that helps us move from ideas to enterprise solution much faster than the traditional development. So instead of like writing 1,000 lines of code, user will simply describe what they want. So it's kind of like that. You need to only feed the requirement and Bolt will automatically generate the user interface, backend logic, API and database. Everything it will do based on your requirement, whatever you are feeding. And this really accelerates the innovation and reduces the dependency on the traditional development cycles. Okay, so in the center, you can see like the type of solution Bolt can create. Like it can create the website, can create dashboard, any data-driven applications and automated workflows. Okay, so in other words, like it is just not just a tool like for prototype. You can go for like delivering the enterprise grade level applications also. Okay, so in the right hand side, here I am talking about like who created like history of the Bolt. So this Bolt was created by Stackbridge in 2024, and it was a cloud-based development platform founded by Eric Simons and Albert Pai. So let's go ahead. So here I just want to hide it so that you can see the key insight. So this, so their vision was to just demonstrate software development using AI so that anyone, not just developer, can build powerful application. The moment I say ki anyone, it will be anyone. You don't need to be technical. So anyone who can put the requirement in normal human language, then Bolt will understand that and build the platform. Okay, so the key insight here is very important for CIOs. Like platform like Bolt, it will enable organization to deliver the enterprise application in days, not months. So it's actually changes how IT team like innovate, experiment or scale solutions. So now let's look at the real organizational scenarios rather than going more detail about the Bolt features. So I will first show you one use case. Okay. So now let's talk about this thing. Whatever we discussed till now, let's connect everything and we will solve one organizational problem. Okay. So here we will see like how a platform can transform how the organization is learning or innovating. So now everyone is going towards like making their employee understand the AI things, right? So let's create one AI transformation drive campaign. So it will not be driven by any policies or training, but by a live platform built with AI and no code. Okay. So here employee will not don't just learn, they will build, they will experiment and they will contribute. Okay, so this is not a training. So you can think it's as a capability building. Okay, so let's go ahead with this. So let me tell that why I took this use case. Okay, so now as you know, like most organization invest in tool, but very few invest in systems that build capability. So without platform like this, so learning will be invisible. Innovation will be fragmented and decisions are driven by assumptions because we are not able to track the employees' real achievement. So with this platform, So capability will become visible, measurable, and scalable. Okay, because what cannot be measured cannot be scaled. That everyone knows. So let's do one thing. Let's go to the Bolt tool directly. Okay, I'll just go Bolt here. Okay. Okay, how many of you already knows about Bolt?
You can type in chat, maybe yes, no. If you know, are aware, yes, and maybe no.
Just heard about Bolt, or let me see. Okay.
So majority has not. So maybe you have to start from the beginning. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So you can see this one is a Bolt tool. Whenever I am talking about any low code or no code tool, it can be anything like lovable, repelled, anything. And all works almost in same way. So even if you know one tool, you can work on any of the tools. Okay. So now here, what I will do, I'm not going to show you any finished product. I will write the things in front of you. So now our goal is very simple. We will build a AI transformation drive campaign to make every employee in the organization AI ready. So traditionally, if you guys already worked on the like web development or any things, you must know that usually take long times and you need multiple teams, months of development and significant budget. So with this low code tool, I don't start with code. I will start with one simple business idea. So let's keep the requirement very simple, just like any organization start. Okay. So what I will do, I just was writing one prompt. Just I will show you. Then I will put it in bold because in bold it will take some time to create everything for us, which like usually if I'll go for real development, that could take 3 to 6 months. Then I will explain in detail how it will work. Okay. So let me just put it here so that it will do the work. In the meantime, I will just put it, explain that. Okay. So here I logged in. First thing is first you have to sign in. Here I already signed in. It is showing my name. I signed in. And I'll just put the code. It will take some time and then I will explain you. I just write something here. I will show you that it's only requirement and I didn't test also. So let's see how Bolt is working.
Yeah. Dipti, is it possible to put this prompt in the chat also where people are seeing?
Yes, sure. Yeah. So let me first explain, then I will put this.
Sure. Right.
Okay. So this will be very simple things. What I am saying that build a visually appealing platform. Okay, how many of you guys know the prompt technique? Let me see.
Yeah, you can write in chat if you are aware about prompt writing, or you have used Chat GPT
Okay,
or
great.
Gemini. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
mostly I think
great.
everybody has done that. Yeah.
Okay, great. So thing is key, if you will use prompt technique, if you will put all the details as per the prompt technique, it will give you the output as per your requirement. But now considering that key, many of people don't know, here I didn't use much prompt technique, but what I did, I just put the details in a layman term. Okay, so what I am saying that build a visually appealing platform for AI transformation drive hosting AI challenges. And I need two things like with admin and user dashboard. Like whenever we like start anything, so in any organization, we start very simple things. Like I will create one admin will do the uh, post the challenges, right? Okay, here I put it. I will quickly show you. So what I am saying that admin dashboard, it will create, edit, delete challenges. Okay. Then post new challenges with fields like challenge number, which tool admin wants users to use it. then the task description and the expected output. This thing you can put as per your requirement. I just put a generic thing so that Bolt will build something and I can show you. Okay. Then what I am saying that editable master challenge campaign ended. Okay. So here, sometimes like company wants, they want to run that campaign for 30 days or 60 days or maybe 3 months. So here we are giving one dynamic option so that admin can update the challenge end date. Then I am saying that globally visible with a countdown timer on all pages. I will show you once it's done. So in the top, it will show you, okay, 120 days is pending or 18 days is pending based on the end date. Okay. Then admin should able to see all user submissions and various kind of analytical insight. Here, if you have the requirement in your hand, you can write all the details. Here I just put it just a generic. I will see what all things it's generated. Then based on that, if you will ask Bolt again, it can change it. Okay. Then broadcast center to post the announcement. If anything like admin wants to post like, okay, to notify the users, they can post it. Okay. So that is admin dashboard. Only minimum functionalities here I put. Then coming to user dashboard. Here I am saying कि user should able to see all the challenges whatever admin posted. So it can be completed, that user already completed all those challenges, or it can be pending. Okay. Then what will happen when like that user will click on the pending challenges? Here I am saying that on clicking a pending challenge, user should provide details like which tool user used. Here admin is expecting certain tools. Maybe admin will put like 2-3 tools, ChatGPT, Perplexity, something, and but user used only one tool. So she can mention that here. Then what is the output of that? So here output we are keeping it generic because sometimes what happen, it can be a LinkedIn post or it can be a text box or it can be a certain links there, share drive or anything. So it depends on the user how they want to put it. Okay, then the remark column. If user wants to put anything which will be visible to admin, maybe they are quite happy doing that or they face certain issue, whatever they want to put. Okay. Then specifically calling out, you give me one submit button to mark as complete. If you will not call it out, maybe Bolt will do whatever like as per that tool is. So if we know the requirement properly, it's better to put like 2 pages requirement rather than like getting something which is not as per our requirement. But for the demo sake, I just put very little things so that like Bolt can complete the things. Okay. Then we are saying the dynamic progress bar. Suppose like 20 challenges are posted, then how many challenges that user completed. So all those things user should able to see it. Then this one is just for motivation, just to show so that user will feel happy, like feel motivated to do the things, right? And this one you can put as per your wish, whatever you want to put. Then user should able to see all admin broadcast or announcement and countdown timer to challenge ended. Now these two are related to admin dashboard and user dashboard. Okay. But in generic, what we will do, I am saying that you need to create one clean, spacious UI, mobile, responsive with quick navigation. I don't want pages like Yahoo or all those. This one is not a information site. So this one is just for our challenge management thing. So let it be very clean. I want only the login screen and challenges. That's all. And then we are saying that key login page. Because here using this login page, it will decide if admin or user, then in this login page, user can log in and they will get only their status. like what all challenges are pending, what is their progress bar, everything. Okay. Then we are saying that real-time leaderboard showing top performer by completed challenges. Here I need to tell I need to see it only in admin dashboard or user dashboard. I'm saying show me in both the dashboard, because user also will be motivated to see the leaderboard. Okay. Then again, motivational quote, just to like keep them motivated, because whenever we are starting any initiative, they need to be motivated, right? Then the toggle mode option, dark or light, because sometimes few user like dark option, few user likes light option. So just to keep that option open. So this is very simple things I did, nothing else. Okay. So let's see what Bolt is doing right now. Okay. Okay. Bolt was. Okay. I didn't see Bolt was just something. Okay. So let's see if you guys have any questions on voltage. Do you guys have any question?
You can type in your questions in the chat box or maybe raise hand. I can unmute you. The meanwhile, Bolt is processing.
Bolt will take like maybe 10, 15. Okay. Which LLM is used in Bolt? So now Bolt is using multiple things, like it is using Claude, ChatGPT, everything like based on the your thing. So here, if you can see, Sonnet 4.5 I am using. So based on your plan, it will decide. Okay, so these all are pre-plans are there. I will show you. I will just open another window so that I can show you that. Now let's go for this pricing option. Okay, so here you can see that like we have pre-plan. I'll just see that key. Okay. So here you can see that pre-plan is there, where you will have limit of 300K token daily limit, 1 million token per month. Okay, and 10 MB file upload limit. So usually, like we have so many low code, no code tools are there. It's always better to go for the pre-plan and try to learn the things rather than going for any paid plan, so that you will know, and you can see that 300K token daily limit is there, and you can use for any prototype or anything, rather than like trying the like actual business use cases. You can go for the prototype, immediate prototype, or like internal development, like this kind of AI challenge or anything, any approval mechanism or anything. Once you feel comfortable, then you can decide if you will go for any of the plan, and if you will feel like that is suitable for your company organization, then you can decide your plan here. Okay, so let me see. Okay, how many pages? Okay, so now coming to this, how many pages we can create. So it is not like that. It depends. Again, it depends on the plan. So you can see that in the pre, we can use 330K web request, unlimited databases. I'll just show you one more thing. I'll just see that key. Okay, it's writing. I'll just show you one more thing here. Now, just be careful whenever you are doing anything. Okay, so go to setting and first do the setting here. Okay, so here I will show you. Now I connected this Supabase database to my database. So you guys can connect to your Supabase database, or you can use the default Bolt one. Now in this prompt, I didn't connect to my Supabase. So by default, Bolt will create well, on the SQLite, and that will be like used throughout this thing, unless you will specifically call out in the prompt. Like here you can mention that key, like suppose my code should be in Python. Whatever you want, you can mention that. Okay, my code should be in Python, then use database. Okay, so you can put it, or I want any color code if you want to put it. So you can write that. So I want color code like blue, white, or orange, whatever. So whatever you want to write in normal English language, you can write it, and Bolt will take care of that. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. You need to do this one. Yeah, here always you can see the token, how much token you have, and when it will expire. Okay, so here I did one more thing. Theme I put dark. The moment I will put it light, it will change to light one. Then display token uses in chat. By default, it is disabled. Make sure to you enable it, because at least you will know how much token it is using whatever prompt you are putting it. Okay. And so let's not talk about any other things. What I will do, okay, let me do one more thing. I will just show the architecture, the time it is creating it. Let me go through the architecture. Okay. So now this high level architecture diagram, you can see on the top experience layer will be there. Like it will show you the admin dashboard, user portal, whatever you put, all analytics, report, everything it will show you. Okay. And then you will have in between, you will have the platform layer, which will be a low code builder. It will show, do the all the workflow, everything. Okay. So it will do the automation, AI driven app creation, all the things will happen here. Then this bottom layer is your enterprise system. Like I mentioned in my other use cases, I connected to my Supabase. So you can connect to your databases, ERP, CRM system, data lake, whatever enterprise system you have, you can connect it. So so actually Bolt is not replacing the enterprise architecture. Okay, so it sits on the platform layer that accelerate your execution on the enterprise. Okay, so now let me do one thing. Let's see how Bolt is behaving right now. Good. Are you able to see it? Correct. You guys are
Maybe you can type in the chat if you are able to see the what Bolt has created.
okay. Great. So now you can see it. I didn't write a single code. I just told that I want one like, okay, I'll just quickly show you that prompt. I am saying that build a visually appealing platform. Then I am just gave the general requirement. I just need clean, spacious UI login page. Okay, so now let's go for the login. So I will say that now don't have a account, sign up. So I will sign up. Let me sign up with something I'll not do. Okay, now I'll just put something. Okay, now just see. It is saying that email address. It did the validation automatically. I didn't ask it. Okay, so I will just put it like this, then password. Okay, now it is saying that minimum character is 6 character. Okay, so I will put, yeah, I'll just note down this. Okay, so now I am saying sign up. Yeah, account created, successfully redirected to login. So now I'll just put that. Now suppose I will put something. So I will sign. It is saying that invalid login because I put the wrong password. Just see that I didn't write a single code. It takes care of that. So now let me put the correct password. So I will sign in. Now it is taking me by default as a user. Okay. Then this is a toggle mode. I put it like dark and light. I put that this motivation thing should come. All these things are coming, but let me go out of this one is logged in as a user. So what I will do, I will just log out from this. Okay, I'll change it to this. Okay, I will say that please create admin credential. Okay, so here I will show you one more thing. Here it is saying that database configured. Okay, before going for the admin credential, okay, let me go for that. Then I will show you another thing. It's creating the admin credential for me. In the meantime, I will show you the database it connected. Now, all this you can see database, it created the profile challenges, one profile. I logged in as a user. So one profile is there. Then based on my requirement, it created all other tables, challenges, submission, announcement, batches, user batches, campaign setting. Okay. Now, here allow new user to sign up. By default, everything it did. And emails enabled. I can enable the Google sign in also, but now I didn't enable it. So, authentication. Okay, let's see now what it is saying. Okay, now open your app, sign up. It is saying that, okay, sign in with those, you will have a full admin access immediately. So now I asked it, I can do it also, but I thought, okay, let's, who will create? Let's see how it is creating. I'll just copy paste and just see that it's mentioned you can put any password of your wish. I will just put that this one is user, this is admin. I can put any password of my wish. Okay, sorry, I need to sign up here. Your name, admin account, I will say. Email is this password. Okay. Now, this admin account is created. Let me now see. Okay. Now you can see it for admin. It is saying that this one is a admin account. Again, toggle button, I asked for it. And let's do one thing. Let me change the end date. Now you can see 29 days it is showing because I mentioned that it show me the countdown. I will just change it to something to April. Update. Okay. Oh. I just Sorry, I just refresh it. It will be auto refreshed. Okay. So what I will do, by mistake, I clicked on that. So it is taking time to refresh the things. What I will do now, generate 10 sample challenges. Okay, create. I'll say that. Now you can see that it changed to 92 days because I changed the end date. Okay, so now I don't want to create the challenges right now because like it will take time. So what I will do, I'm saying that create 10 sample challenges. So let's see, it will create it. Okay. So here you can see admin dashboard, total user 1 because only one user selected. Okay, so now by the time it's adding, I will also add one more thing. So here I ask that whenever you will add challenge, you need to give me challenge number, recommended tool, task description, and output. Now it's giving me this. I will say that add challenge. Oh, great. It's created some challenge. So let's see. Yeah. So it's mentioned that created 10 sample challenges. Okay. So now you can see that it created everything for me. I can also create, let me try one more. So 12, I want it on the whisper. Okay. Okay. So it will create that. You can see it, it's created. So now I can delete it, or if I want to edit any challenges, I can edit it also. Let me just put test update. So just see that I am not doing anything based on my instruction only, it's creating. Okay, so let's do one more thing. Now we talk about announcement. I already put it key announcement. We can put it. So here I will just go for one more thing. If I want anything, so I will go out of admin account, then I will go for the user account, and let's see if I can see all those challenges. Yeah. So now I joined as a user, and you can see 92 days are there, and I can change my toggle button here. This one is my sign out option. Whatever I wrote in the prompt, it's coming like pending challenge. Okay, now let's see. So now it is showing me all the challenges. So I'll just click on this challenge. I will mention chat GPT test. Now I have cancel and submit challenge option. I can cancel it or I can submit. Let me submit. So you can see that it's completed, but all other things
So
are
Deepti, how many challenges are showing up as of now?
10 challenges are there. Because I
Okay.
created one and I deleted it. And these
Okay.
challenges, what I did, I didn't create manually. I can create manually, it's giving me option.
Sure, sure.
But here I put that key, okay, you generate 10 challenges for me. Sample challenges created, right? I just mentioned that you create 10 challenges, create 10 sample challenges for me. So based on our instruction, it's creating. Okay. So here I can see it. Keep progress bar also I mentioned. Keep just let's match it. So I am saying that I want dynamic progress bar in the user dashboard. So it is showing me. Okay. So here and all those things are there. So if many users will be like logged in, then it will, okay, let me just sign up as another user. And all validations are in place. We didn't write a single code, but still all validations are in place. So this one is signed as another user. So what I will do, I'll just put submit challenges. Okay. So now you can see that in leaderboard names are coming, but leaderboard is showing 0 challenges. Okay. So what I will mention key 2 users completed 1 challenge each, but leaderboard showing 0 challenges. Fix it. I am saying ki fix it. I am not doing anything. Let's see what it's doing. So you can think, see that it's thinking and will do. Okay. By the time it's thinking, let me do one thing. The moment we put the things, how it was taken care. Now you see, it is doing one by one. Okay, for admin dashboard, you asked for it, it's doing. So step by step, it is doing everything. Like a intern you are asking, and that intern is working and you can do your own thing, right? So same way here it is mentioned that the moment I mentioned gamification, I didn't mention how I need to do it. Done something. AI Explorer 10, halfway 15, this one is 25, but anytime I can change it. Okay, so let's see what it did. Okay, you guys need this one. I'll put it. Okay, I'm putting the prompt, but this prompt you can change as per your wish. This one is just a sample prompt to show the demo. Okay, so and that bolt tool also I'll put the link. So you guys can play with this tool. Let's see. Yeah. So now you see that it is showing me this one challenge is completed. Okay, and this person like no one did. Okay, so whatever you feel like, suppose I want something else in this page, I can tell that key. Okay, what else we need here? Maybe anyone wants to add anything on the user dashboard? Then let's see like how Bolt is behaving. Anyone wants to put anything?
Anyone if wants to type in chat or maybe want to speak, I can unmute you. If you please raise your hand.
Okay,
So,
it,
so
yeah,
Deepti, can we okay log into admin to check the leaderboard?
yeah, sure. So this one is my logout button. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I'll log out. Then my admin is, what was my admin account? This was my admin account. Okay, now you can see that these 2 challenges, 2 people failed, right? And I can see total 2 users are there. The total challenges are 10, submission is 2, average completion is 10. Okay, here I want to add one new announcement. Welcome. The moment I will post this announcement, it's not refreshed. Okay, so this announcement admin posted it, and you can see the leaderboard. Okay, so what I will do, I will log out of this and let's see if users are able to see it or not. So user will able to see announcement. Let's see why. Yeah, announcement is coming here. So this one I am just showing you. So this one will be like this way, and I put it mobile friendly. So it's looking like this. So let me do one thing considering the time. Let's see how we can do the things. Here everything is there. I can go to, I will just quickly show few of the things. You guys can play whatever you want. It will you need to put the instruction here, then it will do it for you. And if you want to fix anything, you will say, then it will do it for you. Okay, so I'll do one thing here for you. Suppose you want to check the code and you want to change the code. You are a tech person and you want to change the code. You will click here. It will show all the code, environment, everything. Like whatever code is written, you can look into that. Okay, and then database also you can see, like now you can see key 10 challenges are there, 2 submissions are there, 1 campaign setting, end date we set, 3 profiles are there because 1 admin, 2 users we put, 1 announcement. All data, everything is here. So you can always look into the table if you want to look into that. Okay, then coming to this GitHub, you can integrate this to your GitHub so that code version will be maintained. Okay, now let's go. Now you will say that this link is with me. No one is able to do anything till the time I will publish it or I will share it. So I will publish this one. Let me publish it so that you guys can look into this. Okay. So now it is saying that I can't publish this one because 4 security issues detected. The moment I will click on publish, then it will fix all those issues. And this thing, if I will share the link, you guys will able to see it. So let's see. Okay, so it is doing. Okay, by the time it's doing, just let me quickly talk about few more things so that we'll not lose time also. So here I just want to say that, so there is only one message to take away today. So execution speed is no longer optional, right? So it's strategic. Then platforms are no longer experimental, they are enterprise infrastructures. And governance must evolve from control to enablement. Here also you saw how access control, security, everything is like well governed, right? So the future of CIO will not be judged by the stability alone, like it will be the speed of the executions also, right? So like for me, like we didn't just build a platform today. We explored the new way of working. Just put the requirement, it will do everything for you. By the time, like suppose you put a big requirement, it's taking 15 minutes. Go have a quick break, and by the time you will be back, your thing will be done. Then you need to test it. If that prototype is not working for you or some changes you need, again you can put it, and then it will be done. So you don't have to dependent on the development team or anyone else to show the prototype to your customers. So it will be quite quick. And if you will put the detailed requirement, it will give you the exact output. So like that based on your prompting technology, like what will prompt, how well you are writing that. Okay. So now let's see how it behave now. Okay. Now it is saying that your site is successfully published and you can view it. So now let me send this site to you guys and let me know if you are able to see it. Yeah, I put the link.
And Dipti, maybe you can also tell how to put it to the GitHub also.
Yeah, sure. So just click on that link and tell me if you guys are able to like look into the things, and if possible join as a user and let's see how it works. Okay, now here you can see for GitHub this thing is there. Okay, so you can connect project to GitHub. I already connected to my account. So if I can create one, this one is my demo. This is like 27 Jan. I am creating one new repository where all the codes will be there. Okay, so this one is created. Now anytime I can go, and tomorrow suppose I am changing something else, like some new requirement came, or I felt like, okay, let me change it. So I changed it. Then like all those code versions will be maintained in the GitHub. Okay, you can see that GitHub status is synced to GitHub and branch is this one. And if I want to go to repository, I can go there. Okay, so now I don't remember the password. Yeah, you can go there. Okay, so that is my things. Now I don't remember the things. Okay, so here you can see that. Go to repository. So it will show you that. Fine. Are we good?
So, Dipti, I think leaderboard still has a issue. Maybe it will fix.
Okay.
We'll have to
So yeah,
fix.
let's
Yeah.
see. Let's see. If like leaderboard still has a issue, na? So let's see that. Please check leaderboard. It's not working. Okay. So let it validate. In the meantime, it's doing. Let me see if we need to fix the leaderboard edge. It should be same. Thank you. Please guide how to get this live edge final product. Yeah. Someone asked key like how to make it live edge final product. I showed key how we can publish it. And I published it and you guys are using it. So now it's live. Okay, found is the issue is with the rollable user can only see that. So when the leaderboard tries to count and further it's written, let me fix this. Okay. So now it's fixing it.
Yeah. So one question is how we can host this on local IIS server. So I think we from the Git we have to transfer it to
Yeah. So here, the moment you are saying ki publish, you can publish to custom domain also. Right? You can see buy a new domain or add a domain you own. Correct? So you can go like that, or you can do one more thing. You can take the code and deploy in your platform. You can do like that also. So let's see. Yeah, great. So now I can see, oh, good. I can see so many users. Okay. Now
but it
what I
has
am
not
thinking.
not has fixed completely because I think I created with the acha, that is a separate user. Okay.
Okay, so let me do one thing. Here in leaderboard, I don't want the 0 challenges. I want if anyone completed more than 0. Okay. Please show users. Sorry. Please don't show. I will directly say don't show 0 challenges completion in leaderboard. Let's see how it's behaving. So whatever we will see like it didn't fix, we will tell and it will fix it. But you can see like how quickly it's doing it. So we don't have to write much. It's doing based on our instruction. I didn't write a single code here. So let's see what it's doing right now. But whoever are technical, they can directly like go to the code and change it here. Because sometimes you will feel like, okay, let's change the code. So you can go here and change whatever you want to change it. Okay.
So Dipti, one question is from Sandeep. He has asked earlier that why Bolt is preferred over other Gen AI solutions. If you can share the list of the USPs. Why? Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now you can see that key leaderboard is updated. Okay. And top 3 leaderboard, they got top like this way. Okay. Now coming to Bolt. So it's not like that key based on the use case, you need to decide which one to choose. Okay, so here like I choose this one is recently like built, like on 2024 only this one came into picture. Okay, and it is quite easy. Whenever I was doing in other platform, I felt little bit like that lovable I tried. So I felt okay, let me try this one. It's I'm not very much sure like now how other things are performing. I didn't try that. Maybe you can try all the options and see which one is suitable for you, and all documentation, everything is available here. Okay, so if you will go here, it is showing that. So what all like it's supporting, because I am majorly working on nowadays, I am working on the cloud platform, so it is supporting all the cloud platform, all database, because I need to integrate with multiple things to build my enterprise system. So it's supporting all those. And majorly database is Supabase is free database, and cloud database, all those are supporting. But based on your use case, you need to decide which one to go for. Okay.
Great. So, anybody else having any other questions or any other inputs? Anything in your enterprise applications that you are concerned about and want to know how to take care of that? Okay.
Okay. Fine. I just share you that you can play with that and you can build your prompt. That is very basic prompt just for demo, so that like Bolt can do it within 10-15 minutes. So play with that. If you need anything, you can always ping me in my LinkedIn profile, and I'll respond.
Yeah.
So
So,
thank you for your time and attention. Yeah.
yes, there are few questions again. I think Diptikesh, for hosting it on local IIS server, you can just take the code what you have put in on Git or and deploy it the way you are doing deployment on your local server. There is no direct deployment which is possible, but you can always take the code and do the deployment, right, Dipti?
Correct. So you can see here we have options: code, database, settings, all options are here. Okay. So you can take it and do wherever you want to deploy.
Right. And Amit also asked the question, can URL be branded with company's domain? Which Dipti has also mentioned that you can publish it to custom domain. Like she's showing it again.
Correct. So here you have that option like custom domain, buy a new domain, because here Bolt is there because we are not using all those. Now I go for the free publication. If I will buy my own domain, then I can do it here, there also. Okay.
Right. So I think there are no further questions. And if there are, maybe we can reach out to me or Deepti, and recording will be available. And thank you, Deepti, for such an insightful session and well within the time which you have prepared well and covered all the aspects. I think now you have given enough kind of guidelines or kind of input to everybody so that they can now play around and they can build at least the prototypes and even run challenges within their own organizations to see who is doing faster and what kind of, and even this can be a great tool for HR of the organizations where they will feel uh, excellent about the IT speed and performance. I think, and you can see everybody enjoyed your session. Everybody, the chat box is beaming with insightful session, nice session, excellent session. So thank you very much, Dipti, for your time and sharing your insights with us. Grateful. See you
Thank
for,
you all.
we will love to host you for some other time and in some future sessions. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay.
Thanks all. Good
Okay.
night.
Bye bye.
Bye.